go?
Yep.
Okay, so you want me to talk about what Carlisle Cares is and how or why, or both?
Both.
Okay, so Carlisle Cares is, it stands for Combined Area Resources for Emergency Shelter, and it is emergency shelter. We house individuals 18 and older at different churches. Each month we'll be at one church for a whole month, and then we'll move on to a different church for another month, and this is the rotation schedule. And then we also house families, but the families don't go to the mass shelter. They get put in a hotel for the time being. We place them there until they can find more permanent housing. How CARES got started was we have two shelters in the Carlisle area that are always full, primarily always full. And so there was an overflow and the need kept rising. And so being a part of a community needs meeting at United Way and some incidences that happened at our church brought the attention to us that we needed to do something about the overflow. So when I say we, I mean the people that were involved in the community needs meeting at United Way. So it wasn't just me who started the program. I just have a gift to gab, and so I talked people into helping me on this. And we heard of a program in Harrisburg that had a similar program that they used churches in the evenings from 9 o'clock in the morning till 7 in the morning, and it seemed to work. They have done it for a few years, and so we consulted with them and asked them, you know, how they operated the shelter, and we thought, you know, why recreate the wheel and just try to duplicate that process. We tailored it to our community. And when we first started, we started with 4 churches, and now this year we are in our 5th season, and we are now year-round. We have 12 churches. So that's how CARES gets started, and that's what CARES is, and that's, you know, why we did it.